How's it going, YouTube? So I got a flea market slash pawn shop haul. Pretty big one, I guess. Mostly hand tools and one electric stapler slash brad nailer. Start with that. Didn't really need one, but for like $12 or $13 I got it. It was a good deal. And most of everything I got is USA. Got this snap-on circuit tester for $1. It doesn't work, but I'm trying to get it going. Got a breaker bar, the old Craftsman USA. Cleaned it up a little bit. It was pretty rough. These were free with the purchase. SK. Looks like they were in a fire. I don't know if I'll be able to bring them back, but then I never actually heard of these. Dime alloy, like the Diamond Company. They were cheap enough, so I figured see if I could get them looking better. Also got this 6-inch diamond adjustable wrench. It would go good with my other one I got. And I got a lot of ratchets. So a thing for ratchets. First I got a little no-name hand ratchet. Got one of the old Gearwrench 84 tooth for like $5. Another $5 one, Duralast 1/4 inch, nothing special. Old Companion, which is really not a great brand, but it was like $1. Then I got a pair of SK ones, which I'm happy about. I'm gonna replace the gear with the new DT. So this would be I want to say 80 tooth if I replace it. Got this for $10. Got the 1/2 inch one for $10 too. Cleaned it up a little bit, got the rust off of it. Then this was $1 and it's broke. It's a Proto Challenger, but the gear spins, but where's that? If you can see that, someone has sanded off the ball. So I'm hoping I can find another one to go inside of it. Alright, try to get through these really fast. Got the old Craftsman Flying V. Works fine. Got this for $3. A spark plug ratchet, flex head, Powerbuilt. Just a cheap ratchet, but I had to buy it. Got 3 Proto USA wrenches, 15, 14, and 13. Which is got them for a couple dollars a piece, and really happy with those. And got one of the old Husky USA ones. Another Husky USA 3/4 inch. SK 3/4 inch. And a Mac knuckle saver 1/2 inch. Then I got a assortment of USA screwdrivers. I got them just because they were USA. Tradesman, never heard of it. Benchtop, which most of their later stuff wasn't USA. Great Neck doesn't make USA stuff no longer. The old Stanley USA, which they haven't been USA for quite a while. And the old Craftsman USA. Got an assortment of sockets. Not going to really talk about them. Got a couple, a Mac, Snap-on, bunch of SK, and a couple Taiwan ones. And I guess that's it for this one. Just want to show off my flea market tool haul, and thanks, and subscribe.